Have you ever wondered what old coal-fired furnaces looked like in historic buildings? Hi, it's Joe Himmeley. Today I'm at the Ontario in Adams Morgan in Washington, D.C., and this behind me is the original 1904 coal-fired furnace. This particular boiler was installed by the Hubbard Heating Company of Washington, D.C., and you can see inside of it some of its original center. Check out the core. And here you can even see where the original coal cleanout was. And although it's not in use any longer, it's still so cool to see.